Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making lamb shank ragu. This lamb ragu has much more flavour than a ragu made with minced lamb. The bone and its connective tissues add richness to the sauce, creating a creamy consistency and intense aroma. And nothing goes to waste. These are the ingredients and the quantities in the description below. If you buy a leg of lamb, you can use the chunkier cut of meat to make arrosticini. Yes, we are publishing the recipe next week. With the bone and the meat left over, we are making this lamb ragu. Cut the leaner meat into small chunks, leaving the shank meat on the bone. As you're not going to make the arrosticini and this lamb ragu at the same time, you can place them into bags and freeze them. Stir fry the diced onion, carrot, celery with olive oil to make a sofrito. Once the vegetables are slightly cooked, add the meat and sear on all sides. Braise the meat until it is all brown. Add a sprig of rosemary and half a cup of red wine. The red wine is optional but highly recommended. Add the tomato sauce, the beef stock and stir. The lamb has to cook for only 35 minutes in the pressure cooker. If you're using a normal pan, simmer it covered for 2 hours. Place the lamb ragu in a serving dish and remove the meat from the bone. You will see that the meat is very tender and will come off extremely easily. If you're serving this lamb ragu with pasta, add some sauce as soon as the pasta is ready and stir to season. Serve the rest of the ragu on a serving plate and guests can top up more meat and sauce over the pasta. Top it with freshly grated parmesan. If you really want to serve something exceptional, serve this lamb ragu with potato gnocchi or gnocchi alla romana, which we published a few days ago. For more side dishes to serve this lamb ragu with, check the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. Looking forward to the arrosticini recipe.